Front bezel installation on a DIVAR IP all-in-one 7000 4th generation. In this video we will show how to install the front bezels to the 2U and 3U units. A front bezel can be installed to prevent unauthorized physical access to the storage devices. Here we are showing both the 2RU and 3RU units. Make sure that the bezel lock is set to locked. Use the bundled bezel key if necessary. Push the right side of the bezel into the notches on the right of the device. Keep pushing the bezel towards the right, and push the left side of the bezel down onto the system until it clicks into place. To remove the front bezel, set the bezel lock to unlocked using the bundled bezel key. Pull the bezel outwards from the side with the bezel lock. Pull the bezel towards the left to remove the bezel completely from the system. Repeat the same steps for the 2RU unit.